Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Docker running and VS Code with the remote containers extension installed. Once done, open your project and add a dev container folder with dev container. JSON, this tells VS Code how to build or pull the container image. Make sure you reference a Docker file or image, list needed extensions, and set port forwards and mounts. This immediate setup saves time and gives you a reproducible environment that matches CI and fellow developers. You now build and customize the dev container. Start with reopen in container or run dev container CLI commands to build and start. While building, add Dockerfile RUN steps to install compilers, runtimes, and CLIs. Set environment variables and a non-root user to mirror production. Then customize VS Code settings. JSON and Post create command to install NPM packages or run migrations automatically. These details ensure the environment is ready for coding and testing. You finish by testing and sharing the container. Run your app, attach the debugger, and verify forwarded ports and mounted volumes behave as expected. Commit the dev container folder so teammates can reopen the project in the same environment. If something goes wrong, check the remote containers logs and Docker build output, then rebuild with no cache to rule out stale layers. Make sure Docker has enough memory and disk. Increasing resources often resolves unexplained build or runtime failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.